Here you are observing a figure of human eye. This is my 11th video, chapter 11, the human eye. But going in detail, this is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Human eye is nearly spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.5 centimeter. Now, a structure of human eye. Here cornea, pupils, lens, iris, ciliary muscles, retina, optic nerve. Retina is like a screen where if ray will passes through this lens, image will form at retina. Cornea. Light enters through a transparent curved front surface. This is known as cornea. Aqueous humor. The space behind cornea is filled with a liquid called aqueous humor. Okay. It is whitish in color. Its main function is to act as a protective layer for the eye. The space filled behind it is called with a liquid called aqueous humor. Iris. Behind the cornea is a dark colored muscular diaphragm called the iris. Pupil. The size of this aperture is variable and self-adjustable. This aperture is known as the pupil. Eye lens. The light entering the eye is focused by the eye lens. Ciliary muscles. The lens is held in its position by ciliary muscles. Retina. The screen of the eye is called the retina. Light sensitive cell. It is a light sensitive screen. It is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light sensitive cells or photoreceptors. The rods and cones respond respectively to the amount of light energy and to the colors present in it. The rods are responsible for the vision in dim condition and the cones help us in color vision. The cornea is the tissue in the human body which does not contain blood vessels. The eye muscles are the most active muscles in the human body. Our eye contains 7 million cones which help us see the colors and details of the object. Also there are 120 million cells called rods which help us to see better in dim light condition. Blind and spot. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no rods and cones. No image gets formed at this point as it is insensitive to light. This point is called the blind spot of the eye. We can demonstrate its existence through the following activity. Here, blind spot. The octopus does not have a blind spot. The photoreceptors in the retina of the octopus are located in the inner part of the eye, while the cells that carry information to its brain are in the outer portion of its eyes. Its optic nerve therefore does not cross any point of its retina. Some people, due to some genetic disorder, do not possess some one cells that can respond to certain specific colors only. Such persons who cannot distinguish between colors but can otherwise see well are said to be colorblind. In some persons, the rod cells are fewer in numbers compared to cone cells. Such persons find it difficult to see clearly in dim light conditions. They are said to be affected by night blindness. Working of the human eye. Persistence of vision. Here one thing, 1/16th of a second. You know, in case of sound, our ear is sensitive whenever a sound will come after 1/10th of a second. Similarly, for vision, in case of eye, we can observe anything after 1/16th of a second. The eye does this because the lens image distance for the eye has to remain constant and equal to the size of the eyeball. This special property of the human eye is called its power of accommodation, least distance of distinct vision. The minimum distance at which objects can be seen most distinctly is called the least distance of distinct vision or near point of the eye, that is 25 centimeter. That is 25 centimeter. The farthest point up to which the eye can see objects clearly is called the far point. The distance between the near point and far point of a normal eye is called its range of vision. Now, defects of vision. Myopia, hypermetropia. Myopia, hypermetropia. Myopia. Now try to understand about myopia. Here, rays from O distance object at O. Image formed in front of retina. Note on the retina in case of myopia. And corrective lens is concave lens. Whenever you will use concave lens in case of myopia, concave lens causes rays to converge at retina as it coming from O dash. Now image will form at retina. And in case of hypermetropia, image will form behind retina, and using corrective lens, it means convex lens, image will form at retina. Now, sometimes during old age, the eye lens of some people becomes hazy or even opaque. This happens because of the development of a membrane over it. When this happens, the person is said to have cataract. Care of the eyes. Have a regular checkup. Never look at the sun. Have sufficient light in the room. Try not to spend much time looking continuously. Eat a balanced diet. Visually challenged person. Help for visually challenged persons. Non-optical aids, optical aids. Non-optical aid, these often include textual aid. Using sense of touch, the visually impaired can learn to read and write by using a special touch system called the braille. This system makes use of raised dots. Auditory aids include audio, cassette, tape, recorder, audio. Optical aids, these include lenses and telescopic aids. Braille system, the most effective resource for visually challenged person is the braille. Patterns of dots used to represent letters of the English alphabet are shown below. Braille system has 63 dot patterns or characters. Now question and answer time. Iris, retina, bright light, hypermetropia, convex. True, false, true, 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 true. Ciliary muscle 1/16 of second. Power of accommodation. A street signboard across the street. Cataract. Textual aid. Developing and maintaining friendship. Now long question. Answer D and E. Here I have written all question answer D and E. Cornea, first cornea. You may pause the video and you are able to write. You may pause the video and you are able to write all questions and answers. You may pause the video and you are able to write all questions and answers. This video is mainly for revision purpose. This is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.